donc joni noon naten e Mecce Mecce jobs o wima noon ya ƴettu image uji ɗi inde gonditew ɗe inde fof nannato foti nannede exemple donc a doctor, a nurse, a student, a teacher, a shop assistant, a bus driver, a businessman, a police officer, a builder. Docteur ko docteur, a nurse infirmière, student élève, teacher janginowo, shop assistant liggoɗo secrétaire boutique walla ko way noon. Ok, bus driver dognowo bus, businessman police officer policier walla builder maçon. Donc ƴettu numéro fof nanna ɗon inde.
One. A teacher. 2. A doctor. 3.
A bus driver.
4.
A police officer.
5.
A builder.
6.
A shop assistant.
7.
A nurse.
8.
A student.
9.
A businessman.
E ɗo noon a jangat namde ɗe après jaaboɗa sapari deftoɗa hen. Premièrement, what's his job? Holko liggoto? Okay, he's a nurse. He's a teacher. Ko janginowo. Deuxièmement, what's her job? Her noon en kalino ko sertini his e her. His ko pour gorko, her ko pour debbo. Donc what's her job? She's a doctor. Ko liggoto on woni meccal makko ko docteur. Joni noon a ƴewat image uji ɗi sa pari namdoɗa e jaaboɗa question ngaji ɗi e ɓalliɗoma. Donc kadi jaaboɗa what's your job on ko liggotoɗa. Ok, what's your job jaaboɗa par exemple I am a student komi élève. Ok, I am a businessman komi businessman. Voilà, donc ƴeew meccal battagal jaɓorɗa ɗum.
What's his job?
He's a teacher.
What's her job?
She's a
ɗo
doctor.
noon naataten koye négation woni ko wonani. Ok, o wima student, teacher ko élève walla ko janginowo. He isn't a student, he's a teacher. O wona élève ko janginowo. He isn't, donc isn't o ko auxiliaire to be négation muɗum. Donc wasde wonde eyyi goɗɗo o wima ko nurse walla o doctor ko infirmier walla docteur. O wima she isn't a nurse, she's a doctor. O wona infirmier liggotoɗo hôpital, debbo liggotoɗo hôpital, sage femme walla infirmier. O wima she's a doctor ko docteur. O wona infirmière ko docteur. Donc isn't o kañum woni négation pour haalde ko wona. Ok, o wona infirmier ko docteur. Donc sa waɗi noon kettoɗa ɗo en no fewi o wima ya ƴeew image uji ɗi 1 ha 9. Ok, mbaɗa négation et affirmation. He, she isn't a walla he, she is a. He, she isn't o wona kanko debbo walla gorko. He, she is a ko. Ok, his ƴeew apostrophe s o toɓɓere avant s o. Donc ɗum noon ko pour wiide is. Okay, she isn't a nurse wala infirmier isn't ko is not isn't is not. Donc e anglais pour bada pour rabbinde haalama aɗa wawi wadde apostrophe so pour wiide isn't o kadi aɗa wawi wadde is not o aɗa wawi wadde isn't. Ok ɗum woni ok gadda apostrophe ma avant te o ɗum woni aɗa beɗini haala ka.
He isn't a student. He's a teacher.
She isn't a nurse.
Naatan e ko
She's a
wiyete
doctor.
personal information personnel ko fewte e maɗa question and answers lamde e jabol o wima ya ƴew photo go sa pari lira profil o biyeteɗo Eli profil voilà donc Eli Green wiyete ko Eli Green surname Green yettode Green first name Eli ilde Eli country leydi makko ko England Angleterre adresse makko ok 29 Victoria Road Birmingham ɗum woni adresse makko téléphone makko 07 795 50 31 âge makko duuɓi nogas 20 ans job liggey makko ko élève situation makko ko célibataire c'est-à-dire o mari o waɗaka marié. Joni noon sa pari lira après mbaɗa complété ɗiɗo question ngaji. Donc what's her surname réponse tan ɗon. What's her ko pokotta ɗon Eli. Where ko holɗum mbatta ɗon England. What's her ko mbatta ɗon 29 Victoria Road Birmingham. What's her ok wonko woni ɗon binde chiffre uji. Okay, how old is she? Kala, she's okay. What's she's is she? No, she isn't. Donc ɗum ɗon fof a jaboto ɗum après ça pari kadi kettoɗa ƴeewa réponse aji ɗi so tawi no mbaɗɗani ko noon o wima read and listen lire sa pari kettoɗa ok kettoɗa kadi sa pari mbaɗaɗa waɗa répété. Eli is Eli from America. Est-ce que Eli ummi ko Amérique? Oui, non, ala, no, she isn't. Is she from Spain? Est-ce que ko Espagne ummi? No, she isn't. Ala, ummaki Espagne. Is she from England? Yes, she is. O wima ask and answer questions about Eli. Donc lamdo sa pari jaboɗa question ngaji ko fewte Eli. Is she from London? Est-ce que ko London o indi? Liverpool walla Birmingham walla Birmingham. Hoto ummi hen. Is she 16? Est-ce que ko 16 ans o dañi? 18 18 ans walla 20 20 ans. Is she a teacher? Est-ce que ko janguinowo o nurse walla ko infirmière walla ok walla a nurse ko infirmière o student walla ko élève. Is she married? Est-ce que ko desaɗo? Voilà, ça pari 5 o mbaɗa complété phrase uji ɗi exemple. Eli isn't from the United States. Eli ummaki États-Unis. She's from England. O ummi ko Angleterre. Her phone number. Ok, numéro nan ɗon. It ko holɗum mbatta ɗon. She ko mbatta ɗon. She 20 ko mbatta ɗon. She married ko mbatta ɗon.
Green. 1.
What's her surname?
Green. 2.
What's her first name?
Ellie. 3.
Where's she from?
England. 4.
What's her address?
29 Victoria Road, Birmingham. 5.
What's her phone number?
07700 955 031. 6.
How old is she?
She's 20. 7.
What's her job?
She's a student.
8.
Is she married?
No,
hande ko
she
ɗum ɗo
isn't.
gadduɗen ko fewte métieji anglais. Donc ɓasayi jidde wadde abonné, partage de like de ha vidéo goɗɗo inchallah.